Ebusia, seriously, another filler, but this is a big filler. This filler, it will bust your mind. And I think the youth must be arise to this filler. A very big one, it will bust your mind. And I don't want to hide this filler. I want to make sure I bring the filler out days before the 17th. Before the 17th of October.
Fake Igbo king has finally escaped to Nigeria, guys. The good news about it is that Ghanaian youth are also planning not to let him enter the country ever again once he is gone. Guys, now the news in details. Of course, I know a lot of you can't wait to, see this video. Because of course, this is a very massive news coming from our Ghanaian brother, guys. Let's get right into it, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch, and definitely I'll be right back.
Ebusia, seriously, another filler, but this is a big filler. This filler, it will bust your mind. And I think the youth must be arise to this filler. A very big one, it will bust your mind. And I don't want to hide this filler. I want to make sure I bring the filler out days before the 17th. Before the 17th of October.
Now, quickly, let's go and talk about what I told you I'll be telling you. Today is 2nd, right? Tomorrow is going to be 3rd. And you guys know, okay? You guys know, say, the days that we're giving to Ehinetu, the self-acclaimed Igbo king, approaching 15 days more to go. Tomorrow, it will be 14 days more to go. Now, I'm coming here to tell you, based on the information and the intel I am picking from my guys, this man in question has a plan, but this plan up, he want to use that plan to just play around with what Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the guys are trying to do, right? Our plan is say, on that very day or a day before that very day, this man want to plan say or 2 coin. Oh, 2 coin BR. Now, initially, we're picking some intel say that very day, he will travel out to Nigeria. That's what we are picking initially. Okay. After so another intel I say HSA either say or 2 coin at Liberia because only upon we are a little bit close, so he's planning to visit George Oponwia in Liberia. Within that time frame now, we want to do, or the guys want to do, the citizen arrest on that 17th of October. And these are the 2 places that we're planning say Obeko, right? These are the 2 places that we're planning say Obeko. Now let me just say if we want to do this job and do it clean, the only thing we have to do is say we have to get people around the airport, which we can get to say said we'll see him passing through. Because why not say or escape through their rings and also through the borders and stuff like that. No, they are called baby that's information I picky on ground, right? Now the next place are why now so be last and they say the wife is the one behind everything or a strong pillar. He's more or less like Marie Jata. She's just like a bosom and the wife, and that be piano, all the things that is going on, or no, and your calls, every police headquarters, every immigration office, try so be contact other big government wings to see what they can do to stop Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Any guys so or no, and as I say, or your big wing, including the PRO and Rami and who video, any Jataba. These are the people he's using and manipulating around to see. Say before that time will come, Obetumia stop what the guys are intended to do, Obetumia stop. So that is also what he's trying to do now. I told you guys say on any year or more property be central after information I pick HSA they are trying rather instead of say on be to call Nigeria on be on be boka and I said because of that they will travel to or my imagine say that 17th of October now they will hit the road to the central region. Okay, Manyan in TSA there's a program coming on in the central region somewhere in the central region. Information reaching me say they overheard him discussing with somebody with respect to program be a coffee or central region. So on the 16th before 17th, so when you guys are planning something, you know what you are planning. That's the only way by which I can put the information out here. Also 17th it shouldn't be say you call me mama will feel you will be able to get him. All we do is say fila. That is what we are putting out here. We don't really want to, we don't care what is going to pop up. We want to put the filler information out there as to what we are getting. Okay, so that is information we are getting right now as to what he's planning to do. Say 16th Ahumachen, and now the 17th Ahumachen, they will hit the road traveling to where? Somewhere in the central region. Boys no coffee crowd, moon konkotono, and I say Bibisa, and I say Bibisa Mutuno, and I say Bibisa. After so the other information we are picking. Okay, the other information we are picking. I told you guys that there's one woman be our police headquarters. Dr. Hassan Ayariga, any guys in the call, that particular woman was the same woman who was calling them and telling them stories or no, omuko you are not afraid. Oh, I'm about how say no about money. You are tipping kakra. So that particular woman is the one who keep giving all those informations, all the informations out there. Or no, and faster information. Emma Igbo King and their wife. Self-acclaimed Igbo leader, no, any wife, Dr. Hassan Ayariga, Mr. Muko Honuma. The whole thing is I'm trying to reach out, but Muko Honuma, this is what they are doing. Once you guys leave pay, that's our lady, no, when info, no, afraid, no, catch. So another information we are getting is they are planning, said they will use the police. So on that very day, no, either they will leave or they will not leave. The police will be mounted. There will be presence of police, huge police presence. Just to protect it. But and also, no, it's not assured because when we say Ghana Police Service, no, and share that and yet people that he can rely on, even though the wife is using and pulling all the strings. Or police strings, First, no, if he said the wife is doing nothing. But I'm telling you, say, look, it is true, say it is Yeniaba, but I can tell you on authority, say, Nyama na woman, no. It is more than what the man is doing. The man is just relaxed. So, I can say, you know what? Relax, Oga. Me, I go do for you. So everything that is going on right now, no, mameno, and akoniaba, mameno, and determine, mameno, and nyama. You understand me? Mameno and amanyama the way economy because or no, or your course, or you say, everything, no, or frefre, and or nyama be brave at the end of the day. So they will use that thing to stop Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the guys. Okay, I know, say you guys have many intel, but I'm telling you this one, say Central Region, person was central and information reaching us. There's a 2-3 months ago, and he said that was the land that said, but people went there to go and destroy that fence. Now, and the information reaching us, said, develop part of it, but everything is in the name of the woman, and they will be heading towards somewhere in Central Region. No, Marco, see me when I say something and you don't listen, don't say I didn't tell you. They are trying to run away from the home, and they are trying to exploit every opportunity, and I say every other chance. So that's basically what they are doing. Now let me tell you something here without fear or favor. I'm telling you, if the Igbo King, and as a self-acclaimed Igbo King say he's not scared, he's lying. He's very scared. Very scared. Now, again, let me also say something. I've seen some people coming to write it under the comments, say, oh, he's married to a Ghanaian, and and I say, let me just say it here and say, the same constitution will be opportunity to marry to a Ghanaian, to have documentation to stay in Ghana. No? The same constitution declares, say, against the constitution, even in other jurisdictions, they can strip you of your citizenship. And according to information, Dr. Hassan Ayariga Sangadano, criminality. So if criminality is part of the whole game, then at the end of the day, the law now or no or rely on the law. No, that law now able to Ghana. You understand the point here? So for those coming to my comment section to come and comment about law, about the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and what the Constitution is saying, blah blah blah, about all those things. No, this is the explanation to it. When a case is determined against you, say who was some criminality case be against you with all that, no? At the end of the analysis, fraud be, and I say why you did a fraud in the idea, and I said we're able to determine say BBA coso, then you cannot run away from it. So that's the explanation to that. Okay, that's the explanation to that. Now let me just say here also say mameno the wife no. Mameno the wife no. Nyama koso ofini na no or no ena in charge. Now again, the kids are very worried. Honestly, information reaching me to see answer me by the mountain way, HS and Kwalano Krano, or NJB and Yomo, because they be on the social media. See, and they keep asking, Daddy, what is going on? And he keeps explaining, oh no, this one, forget about it, it's a gimmick. That's why sometimes you see them coming to social media to come and be making hula baloo about all this, and they are dancing, they are doing the and just counterfeit or mukodema. They are not able to sleep. I can tell you on authority they are not able to sleep. So guys, take note from me, okay? One, before that 17th, no, he's trying to travel to Nigeria. Why not doing say obi 2 kwan? Say you guys when you go there on munkuto, so obi travel to Nigeria. Obi kwa shembe 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 1 week. Now Osaba send na murefi say bibi sa airport. So we will be monitoring that one at the point of entry. Our airport or see from King. I will come back and come and tell you say akwanu abu. When to me and 2 kwan call Nigeria, and I say to me 2 kwan call Liberia, I will still come back to come and tell you, baby or I'm telling you guys say information it's more or less like a spiritual a bunny say and it's something else. But guys, what I'm saying here and say, take it and let's work together. Let's plot all the holes critical, okay? Let's plot people. Say sure say there will be some security arrangements. Send a airport and also say we'll get people around the airport to get more of the information because airport because or now back and idea or maybe he will definitely come back because the wife now can say nobody can take the husband from her. Waka What can say nobody can take the husband from her. And on no, New can say the white husband shouldn't travel to Nigeria, Liberia, or no, she should stay home. He should stay home and nothing can happen because our links our police headquarters. Anytime they catch him say, whatever will happen in the police headquarters, no, no be afraid. Now that lady in the police headquarters, the way a man managed to get the name of immigration officer or you link, you know, me digi woody and madam. So we are sergeant to, so we are corporal, so whatever it is. I'm digging. Sergeant to say corporal grace so me dino me boldin sergeant say grace so say whatever. Be very careful because you are entering into a very dangerous place. And I won't why I say because of no few way then go give you unti. Say the guys come there no then you call and then you try to do your papa thing because you want some money, then they will give you the money. So guys, Moko police headquarters be careful from. Let me give you guys the gist. When I don't know which of the police officers you are normally you go there to go and see. Okay, if it's the IGP or the CID boss, there's one lady. Or what CID boss office honomo that lady or no or ni kala ni sheda nye fair or brownish be sa lady no or no she keep giving the information out there to these people, and that is why anytime you guys go there no then the information will leak. Anytime you guys go there no the information will leak. That's what that lady is there for. She's an informant. She's just like what what you call barrister Jataba and Agongo said ni Amwa Amasahini or whatever. I get the name of that PRO ni Amasao ni Amwa. I've gotten his name and I know Ejela La Yobini. So I know all these people are working around the clock to make sure say they frustrate whatever is going on. Now kudos to Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Let me use this opportunity to use to say one or two things about Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Guys, if you look at Dr. Hassan Ayariga from the way he's doing his things, honestly speaking, you can see say we can count on, we can believe in him, we can vote for him. For me, from where I sit, let me say 2028, all the youth in Ghana, go ahead, let's support Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the APC. We need a third political party to solve this problem. Okay, to solve this problem. Now, I've told you guys what you want to hear, right? 1, he's planning to travel to Nigeria through the airport. 2, planning to travel to Liberia to go and see Oponya in the name of just running away from Dr. Hassan Ayariga. 3, trying to make sure say he will go to Central Region or more baby or not no be 15 times. So when you guys go there for the citizen arrest, you won't find him. So I want to tell you guys to say early enough from 14th, 15th, 16th to 17th, mount up there and make sure say you watch his in and out. That's it.
Igbo king think say he wise, but you know say Ghanaians wise pass am. Pikin wey talk say im mama no go sleep, him too no go sleep in peace. This news sweet me for belle oh. You guys do not understand what this means to me. Hey! Congratulations to Ghanaians. You guys are going. Hey! You know what I mean? I wish I'm recording myself right now. You would have seen the joy on my face. But then I am super excited. I'm very, very excited that what you guys have been fighting for a while now is yielding fruit. But there's one question I want to ask. That Ghanaian woman that is giving him information, is something wrong with her? Well, I'm not in the position to scold her, oh, my Ghanaian youth. I leave that to you. I leave that to you. I know you know how to deal with people like this. So I leave everything to you. So, with my exciting face, I am signing out. Everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there I believe they'll watch and also learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.